5 Amazon tech gadgets fix overheating, crowded chargers, risky hotel Wi-Fi, blocked outlets, and clumsy bedside routines. Number 1 could replace 3 things on your nightstand.
If your laptop gets hot enough to make the fans scream, this slim cooling pad gives it breathing room. 3 USB-powered fans move air under laptops from 15.6 to 17 inches, while the metal mesh spreads airflow across the base. 2 height settings lift the screen and improve the typing angle, and the extra USB port helps avoid sacrificing the port used for power. It is a simple desk upgrade. No software, no setup, just cooler airflow where a laptop normally traps heat.
This turns one wall socket into a much more useful charging station. You get 5 AC outlets plus 4 USB ports, including USB-C, so phones, lamps, and small accessories can share one location. The built-in night light wraps around the front and switches on automatically in low light, while surge protection adds a layer of protection for connected gear. A center screw and stabilizing prong help keep the extender seated instead of wobbling when you unplug a cable. Public Wi-Fi becomes easier to manage when your devices connect through one pocket router. The Opal can repeat hotel Wi-Fi, create your own private network, and let your laptop, phone, and streaming devices reconnect to the same saved network. It supports dual-band AC 1200 Wi-Fi, 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, and built-in OpenVPN and WireGuard support. At only 145 grams, it is small enough for a travel bag, but useful at hotels, temporary offices, dorms, or anywhere the available network feels awkward.
The newest Echo Spot is a compact smart alarm clock that keeps useful information visible without turning your nightstand into a full-size screen. Its color display shows the time, weather, alarms, and song titles, while the front-firing speaker handles music, podcasts, and Alexa responses. You can build wake-up routines, control compatible lights and other smart home devices, or tap the screen for quick controls. It is especially useful when you want a clock, speaker, alarm, and voice assistant in one small footprint.
This is the charger that actually shows what it is doing. The compact 3-port GAN design can deliver up to 100 watts from either USB-C port, with enough power for compatible laptops, tablets, and phones. Its smart display shows live charging power and temperature, plus charging history, so you can see whether a device and cable are drawing the power you expected. It can charge 3 devices from one outlet, includes a compatible USB-C cable, and is small enough to replace a pile of separate charging bricks in a work bag. Which one would solve the most annoying problem in your setup? Tell us in the comments. The product links are in the description and pinned comment. Subscribe to FlexiViews for more useful finds that earn their space. Pack smart, stay flexible. See you in the next one.